So over here you can see that I got this menu, and if I were to go around and hover around on the post, you can see the sample beneath it. So let's say I want similar drop down menus on other pages as well. So as long as you have pages or you have links that you want to add in, you can do that as well. So for that, I'm going to go around onto post. Let's say for example, right here on my home page, I'm going to go around onto my dashboard, and from the appearance, let's just go around onto customize. So over here under the menu section, I have this menu that I have, and you can see that this is how it looks. So under the post, you can see the sample. That is because the sample is under the post right here. But if I were to bring it and drag it to the beginning, you can see that it is there as with any other pages. So now let's say I'm going to drag in the wiki under the events, then contact under the events right here, just like this, sample under the events. Then what happens is that everything goes under the events just like this. I can also go ahead and let's say for example under the sample I can bring in wiki. So over here you can see that now wiki is under the sample just like this. So similarly I can do the same for contacts as well, and if you were to see that, then you can see under the contacts is post and wiki right there. If I were to go ahead and save the changes and refresh this out right here, then you will be able to see the changes. So you can see that this is what I have. So this is saved. And now let me just go ahead and refresh this out right here. And under the events, you can see all of the menus right here. So that is what you can do. And you can bring this up right here just like this. And that is what you have, as you can see right here. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and add in an item, and then let's say for example add in something like, let's say for example, categories that you have right here like education, and I can bring it under the contact or event as well, just like this as well. And then you can see that even though it is not a page but it is technically a tag, you can see it underneath right there. And that is how you can add web page links inside of drop-down menus inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.